Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can turn your photo from this to something that look like this using ChatGPT. Actually, there are two different methods that you could choose, and later you can decide which method you think is the best for your photo. So let's go to ChatGPT, and for this example I'll try to convert this photo of a nice woman into the 8-bit or retro video game style from the 80s. So I'm going to just upload the photo by dragging and dropping the photo into this area, or you can also just click this button and then upload your photo from this menu. So for the prompt, you can use this simple prompt: faithfully recreate this image into an authentic low-resolution pixel art in the style of a retro 8-bit or 16-bit video game. That's the simple prompt. Now later I'm going to show you how you can make it even better, but let's try using this basic prompt. Enable to create image and send the message to ChatGPT, and just wait until it's finished. It usually will take, I would say, about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'll be back when it is done. Alright, so this is the result. It's actually pretty good. It's really great. So you can use it for your profile picture, or maybe you want to use it on your social media account. It's up to you. It's your photo now. But this is only one method. There is still another method which I think makes more sense. So let's go to ChatGPT again, and I'm going to upload the same picture. But before I do that, basically this method will copy the style from an existing video game, especially retro 80s video game, to your photo. So you can go to Google and search for something like Super Mario or maybe Pac-Man or Contra video game screenshot. Something like that, and basically you have to pick the screenshot that you think look great and you want to save it to your computer, and then later you want to copy or upload the picture to ChatGPT. So I'll try using this screenshot from the Contra video game, and basically I want to mimic the style of this video game into my photo on ChatGPT. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to upload my photo, which is this woman again, and also the Contra screenshot right here. So there are two different photos right now. This is called myphoto.jpg, and this is called Contra screenshot.png, as far as I know. It is recommended to name the two different files so you can refer them accurately on ChatGPT. So the prompt that you want to use is this one. Let me copy and paste the prompt. So faithfully recreate this image, and then I'm referring to my photo, into an authentic low-resolution pixel art in the style of the video game screenshot. And I'm referring to the Contra screenshot, so AI is not confused which one that should be changed, which one should be used as a reference. So that's basically the prompt. You can pause this video and then you can copy this prompt, and after that click create image and send the message and also the images to ChatGPT, and it is the waiting game again. And this is the result. Now it might look the same, but if you look closely, it's actually just a bit better than the previous version. So this is the previous version, and this is the one with the picture as a reference. You can tell that the color is a bit more pop out and a bit more contrast, and I would say it's better than the previous picture. At least that's from my personal opinion. I actually done the testing using this picture as well, and this is the result. Again, the color is a bit different, but one thing for sure is that it is more contrast thanks to the fact that we are using a different picture as a reference. So anyway, I hope you find this video to be useful. I hope you can create the 8-bit retro version of your photo using ChatGPT. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.